right, week 6 in CIT93. This is the week we take the training wheels off a little bit. We let you see how well you've integrated these concepts. And so this is a cool week, I think. And again, you may feel a little frustrated at times. It depends. It depends honestly on how much HTML and CSS you've brought to the table and how much you've leveled up if you didn't. And the other part of this is getting help, and really this is why I'm recording this a little early, is for those of you that happen to work over the weekend, have just to help make sure we're all clear. Now, I recorded the Develop One video yesterday, so check that out. And also I want to let you know is that getting help from me if you need it, I encourage that. I've seen a couple of you in my office, and I love that. Please come see me. You have to understand when my office hours are, which are listed in the syllabus. So the other thing is that this week coming up, I'm actually out for a full day on Tuesday. I'm involved in a campus hiring process, so I'm out all day. So normally I'd have an office hour late in the afternoon on Tuesday, but I won't this week. So then you have Monday to see me, you have Wednesday to see me, and then you have Thursday, but if you're waiting until Thursday past 6 or 7 and even 5, right, because I have a class that ends at 6 and then I'm pretty much done after that, like getting help from me is not going to be effective, period. That's when you would lean upon the chat and other things. But hopefully you can get the message of, help me help you by making sure you've worked ahead. And hopefully this is not something you're just starting Thursday afternoon, because it is an important part, and it has more impact on your grade. Now, having said that, I need to actually talk about something that I just realized today. So I'm going to move over to the course today, and I realized that I have not built out the other parts of our class. So here's what this means. And normally I do this, and I'm not sure where this happened, but it doesn't matter at this point. Because apply, develop, learn, practice are all worth 25%. What's happened is, because I haven't built out the rest of the items, is that it divides each item by the percentage to determine its percentage weight in your overall grade. And so what you'll see is over time, missing one assignment, not a big deal. Although I think logically, because it builds upon each other, it can be more of a big deal. But is that these items right now are having a bigger impact on your overall grade. And especially now in the develop it, because divide 25 by 2 and you're going to see which each of those as a percentage of your grade will impact it. But because we have 4 more of these, that then becomes less of an impact. But because I didn't build it out, it's not here yet. And my goal is actually to do this. I may actually, if I can get a chance, I don't know if I'll get a chance this weekend because I actually need to work on other things, but my goal over the next couple of weeks is to make that happen so that you have a better idea how these things are affecting your grade. Okay, so I just wanted to give you that heads up because I realized it today. And just to let you know, right, if when you see those impacts, and the other thing, and I think I've said this, but it's just good to remember, is that if you do submit things after the due date, I do accept them, but I just discount them 25%. So it's best to do it on time, and that way you get the most points. And that's obviously more helpful than not, because you have to still do all the work, but you just don't get as many of the points. So anyway, welcome to your week 6 attendance. Just do a watch, or just, I'm going to say watch and reply, telling me you watched it and you understand what I was communicating with you today. All right, have a good one.